Hello guys, welcome back to SwagCade. In today's video, we are going to solve this lab. So once you've logged in, just activate your Cloud shell. Now we'll click on Continue. Meanwhile, here is the code to solve this lab. We'll just copy all of this and paste it into the Cloud shell. Now we'll hit Enter. After hitting Enter, it will ask us to authorize, so we'll authorize it. Now once the commands are completed, we are done with this lab. Our commands are completed. Now we'll just go back to the lab and check our progress for all the tasks. We'll get a score for the first task without any issue. And for the second one too. You've successfully completed this lab. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day ahead.